Hello friends, and welcome to our review of the Glen 7055 digital water heater that not only gives you hot water but also enhances the aesthetics and adds a new charm to your bathroom. This water heater sports a rust and shockproof ABS body. This model comes in 15 and 25 liter capacity, so you can choose as per your requirement. The Incolloy 800 heating element is also glass lined. The resistance to scaling makes it more energy efficient. On the performance front, this water heater delivers powerful performance with its 2.0 kilowatt powerful heating element. With capacity to withstand 8 bar pressure, this heater is also suitable for high-rise buildings. The temperature is controlled electronically with the help of a remote control. You can set the exact temperature by just a touch of the finger anywhere from 25 to 75 degrees Celsius as per your requirement, and this will give you the same temperature water every day. It has a digital display which shows the temperature so you can know what you are getting. The water heater is equipped with all the safety features such as 0.8 MPa pressure release valve and thermal cutout at 94 degrees Celsius. The magnesium anode protection enables it to safeguard the tank of water heater from rusting. The 24 mm thick insulation of CFC-free PUF makes it energy efficient. Glen 7055 water heater available in 15 and 25 liters. For further details, please refer to the product page.